Teachers, we want to help you develop successful readers. That's why we've created resources that will help your students learn how to learn. Our CSI Literacy kits are collections of short texts designed to help your readers learn vocabulary and comprehension and gain confidence as readers. Want to see how to use a kit in the classroom? Let's take a look. In Step 1, the text is shared. Your students will work together as a learning community, the entire class working together on the same text. You'll read and think aloud and encourage students' interaction. Together, you and your class will closely read the text for about half an hour. Here's what you'll need. You can use the shared digital text on a PC or Mac and on a standard screen or interactive whiteboard. Model to students how you draw inferences, ask questions, and find the big ideas. Use the handy digital tools to mask text or write notes on the screen. Finish that, you're ready for the next step. Research shows that students need multiple exposures to a new concept over a short period of time. Here, your students will work on a brand new text, but practice the reading strategies they've just learned. They'll pair up, read and discuss a text with their partner, then complete a writing activity. Assign each pair of students a text in the Cooperative Learning Activities book. If needed, have them listen to the corresponding audio track on the disc or USB. What do you need to do? Support and coach your students when and where needed. The last step is independent writing. In their journals, students will reflect on what they've learned. With your kit, you have free access to 30 copies of the online student reflection journals. If you prefer printed books, you can buy those too. The journals give students an opportunity to reinforce their learning and record it so you and they have written evidence of their progress. And there it is. In no time at all, you've helped your students become purposeful, critical, and independent readers. Ready to give it a go? Simply order online now or give us a call.